Hello students. So in this class we are going to discuss about regular expressions. Uh, re- uh, we have already seen in case of strings searching of a substring in a main string. So regular expression also helps us to find the substring or a pattern of a string in the main string. So searching for a required pattern and extracting only the lines or words matching the pattern is very common task in solving problems programmatically. So we have already seen in strings using the split and find function how we can do. So Python has a powerful library called as regular expression to handle the searching of a strings using the pattern matching. We can say it as a one of the kind of pattern matching. So they have quite complicated syntax. They provide efficient way of searching the patterns. Regular expressions are themselves little programs to search and parse strings because they contain different functions that will help us to find a particular pattern in the main string. To use these all functions or these all syntaxes, we need to import a library called as RE. We must import this particular library to a program if you want to use the regular expression. So there is a search function in this particular module, that is in RE module. Search function is there which is used to find particular substring within the main string. So we have an example here. So you can see here we have imported RE. This RE is nothing but regular expression. So we are opening a file called as myfile.txt. So from this particular file we are fetching each line. So for line in left hand, line equals to line dot rstrip. So rstrip means this will clear all the 5 spaces which are at the starting and at the end of the particular line. Then we are searching here using the search function of the regular expression library. If re dot search how comma line, in the sense what, this will find the pattern how, that is the word substring how in each line. If that particular word how is present in the line, that line will be printed here. Okay. So let us see this using the example. We execute the programs using the idle here. Let us. We have already created this file with the name. Okay, we have another file re11 as the name. So this is our program. So just to change it. So this is our program. I have named the file here as f1. So I can show you what f1 contains. F1.txt it is. So this is our f1. So this is our f1. There are 4 lines on it. Let me execute this particular module. So this is the output flag. So it has matched all those lines which contain how here. Hello, how are you? This line contains how, and how is your job also contains the how. So like search function works. Then regular expressions also make use of special characters with specific meaning. So one of the example is here. We using special character caret. We call it as a caret symbol. This symbol we are using, which indicates the beginning of the line. In the sense, the same program we are just modifying it. The search if condition. Okay. In the how, in the pattern matching, the pattern we are involving caret symbol here, which indicates all those lines which begins with how. So now those lines only which begins with how should be the output. Let me show you the same program. So here we will just include a caret symbol. So I have included caret. Just to save it and run this particular model. can see the output. Only the line how is your job is displayed. That is, only that line begins with how pattern. So that is about the caret symbol. So like this, we have different symbols available in the characters. So we call character matching in a regular expression. The list is here. Caret symbol, as we have seen, beginning of the line. Dollar matches end of the line. That is, if end of the line ends with a particular pattern. Dot matches any single character except new line. Using option M, then new line also can be matched. Okay, dot symbol matches any single character except new line. If you want to also match the new line, option M will be used. And in the square bracket, 3 dots matches any single character in brackets. Then caret, the 3 dots matches any single character not in brackets. Then RE star matches 0 or more occurrences of preceding expression. RE plus matches 1 or more occurrence of preceding expression. You can see the difference here. Star indicates 0 or more and plus indicates 1 or more. Question mark, 0 or 1 occurrence of preceding expression. RE, a space and N matches exactly n number of occurrences of preceding expression. There are some other characters also available here. You can see these all we can see inside the program when we see the examples. Backslash T matches digits equivalent to 0 to 9, and backslash capital D matches non-digits. Backslash W matches word characters. Backslash capital W matches non-word characters. Backslash S matches white space. Backslash capital S matches non-white space. So like this we have the escape character sequences also. Instead of using the complete lines for matching the word characters or in digits, we can just use this backslash T and backslash W. Also we have some examples of regular expression here. You can see this example. In square bracket we have capital P and small p and YTHON, match Python or Python. So in square bracket whatever we mention both will be considered. So in a string, all those patterns which starts with capital P Python and which starts with small p Python will be matched here. Second, Ruby. So RUB, in square bracket we have YE, so that match with Ruby or Rube, both. Then we have AEIOU, match any one lowercase vowel. Any one lowercase vowel. Any one, it indicates any one. 0 to 9 match any one digit, same as 0 to 0, 1, 2. It means 0 to 9 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similarly, A to Z matches any lowercase ASCII character, and capital A to Z match any uppercase ASCII character. This one, A to Z, it includes any uppercase, any lowercase, and digits. And this caret symbol, as we have seen, starts with, and this is in square bracket, match anything other than lowercase vowel. Match anything other than lowercase vowel. Similarly, this caret 0 to 9 match anything other than a digit. Okay, we will see some examples later in the classes. So most commonly used meta character is dot. We call all these as meta characters. Whatever we have seen still now, these are meta characters. So most commonly used meta character is dot, which matches any character. So dot matches any character. Consider this example where we are regular expression is for searching the lines which starts with L, and has any two characters in between represented by 2 dots, and then ends with the character M. So we have here taken myfile.txt. So as you have seen in the previous example, same here, lining and lining line dot r re dot search, so caret l starting with l, two dots means matching two characters, exactly two characters, and ending with m in that particular line. If that matches, then a line will be printed. Let us try to execute this example. You can see nothing is displayed here. Let me change the values in F1. We'll add one more line, so that starts with I am let me save it. Then we'll go back to that. Then execute this. So as you can see the output, I am a big man, so that is displayed here. So that particular example matches. The pattern which starts with I and ends with M. So when we don't know exact number of characters between two characters, then we can make use of dot and plus symbols. Okay, when we don't know how many characters are there in between, then we have to use one dot and a plus symbol. So you can see this line. So same, we have to import array as we know. So in search function array dot search, we have used h dot plus u and a line here. The same, if you replace this my file with F1, so output will get how. Okay. So some few more examples are there. So we are using this mbox-shard.txt file, which is available in py4e.com port 3. This particular path is available. We are using that. So now we have this pattern to extract lines starting with word from or from. That is from or from. So this particular pattern we have to match here. From F capital and once F is small. So this we can see here. We are using mbox.short.txt here. So caret F small f capital F, which is in square bracket, or so dot star edu dollar. What it indicates? So that starts with from and ends with edu. It starts with from either capital F, small f, then there may be 0 or more characters, and later the line should end with edu. Okay, so like this many examples are there. We can see them in the next class. So this is the working of search function, how the search function works we have seen here. In the next class we will see the different functions. Find all function we will see in the next